actually at Farmer's Nest, Farmers and Partner Farm. This is Nagaraj. Hi Nagaraj. Yeah. And we also have a team from ROBO-G here today, and we are going to talk about something very interesting. So essentially, let me very quickly give you a background, right? So one of the things that we know that a lot of problems are faced by farmers in India, right? And ROBO-G is a company, is a startup which has been, we actually started working way back in 2017 together when we had created our first farm, and they had come in to teach people robotics at a farm at that point of time. And so we were just talking about, is there a way to, get kids to solve some of farming problems of India, right? And we were talking about farming problems like how do you remove weeds, how do you grade fruits, how do you compost, all sorts of things, right? And so Vishnu, who's here from ROBO-G, hi Vishnu. So he had a bunch of ideas around how we could. So we kind of collaborated, and there's something interesting that has got created, which Vishnu is going to talk about now. Vishnu, over to you. Do you want to tell us about this challenge and
hi
stuff?
everybody. So this is Vishnu from ROBO-G. So ROBO-G is at Farmers Nest today, and ROBO-G and Farmers have collaborated for a competition called Indian Robotics Olympiad. So where this year's theme is Harvest Heroes, where we have designed different robotics challenges based on what farmers are facing issues in farming industry. So there we have 3 age categories: 5 to 7, 7 to 10, and 10 to 15. So first we are going to explain what challenges we have for 5 to 7. So let's see this now. So here you can see this mat, the whole mat. This is divided into 4 sub challenges. So you can see here one dark gray line in the center. So this gray line is dividing into 4 sub challenges. So now the first challenge I am going to explain. So here the small grids, what you are seeing. So these small grids are the path for the robot. So there is this robot called Kubo, so which will move one grid at a time. So means around 4 centimeters in one rotation. So now the first challenge for the robot is, can you collect the seed, water, fertilizer and drop it to the tilled areas. So there are 9 tilled areas here, and then the robot has to come and drop seed, water and fertilizer.
So robot has to pick up the seed and then go ahead and put them in the tilled areas, because then the seed can germinate there and plants can grow. This is basically a freshly tilled field, just like this field here. At Farmer's Nest, this is a freshly tilled field where Nagaraj is actually going to do the same thing. So now we are hoping that kids can make robots which can help Nagaraj.
Yeah, obviously. Right? Yes. So now we have the next challenge here, the removing the weed challenge. Now this crops are there, and then this green colors, what you're seeing, these are the weeds, and robot has to come and collect those weeds and then drop it to the wheelbarrow so that we can throw that weed away. So this is the second challenge for 5 to 7 years old. Now let's move to the third challenge what we have here. So here you have to harvest the fruits and then move it to the basket. So there are 3 trees, you can see banana, then you have to cross the river through this bridge and then collect the apple and then mango, and then you have to drop it in this basket. So harvesting is the third challenge for children. Okay. Now the last challenge what we have here is, this is, you can observe here there are 6 fruits, and out of 6 fruits there are...
some fruits are happy and some fruits are a little angry.
Yes,
like
so
this
you can
fellow.
see angry and happy fruits. So happy fruits will go to, good looking fruits will go to grocery store, and the odd looking sad faces will go to factory where we can utilize it to make jams or
squash or
whatever,
spreads and
varieties
like
of products
that.
from the fruit. So this is all about the challenges what we have for 5 to 7 years old.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. So so tell us about, so this is basically the Indian Robotics Olympiad, right?
Yes.
Tell us about this event. Where does it happen? When does it happen?
So basically the pattern for this is like April, May and June we have the registration is going on now, and as I mentioned there are 3 age categories: 5 to 7, 7 to 10 and 10 to 15. So this challenge was for 5 to 7, where we don't have any entrance test. So directly you can enroll your child. Whereas the 7+ category, you have to give one entrance test. Once the child will qualify in that, we have given the details on our website, then you are eligible to prepare for the competition. And July onwards, we are starting the preparation for the Olympiad. So July, August, September, October and November. So 5 months preparation will be there. And then after that, December is the final competition.
Got it.
So this
December,
is the
December of 2024 is, so this happens
Yes.
every year,
every
right?
year it is going to happen, and the final competition will be in December, and 5 months of preparation.
Got it. And there will be winners. How many winners will be there in these three categories?
So there will be 3, based on what score they are getting, so first, second and third.
Okay, so like a
Yes.
gold medal, silver medal,
Yes,
bronze
yes,
medal
bronze
kind
medal
of.
like that it will
Got
be.
it, got it. Interesting.
Yes,
Okay, so let's go to the second challenge now.
Okay, it'll take time to set
Yeah,
up.
that's fine. We'll set it up. So meanwhile, let you